Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here. So guys, one of my husband's friend watched my old video about the journey of building our house, and he was so happy, like he loved the video. So he bought a plot this side of ours and he started his construction. So today, like, he's this kind of guy who lives out of Uganda. So today he came back and he's going to take us around his house. So you guys, you're coming with me. Let's go. So guys, this is the house. Before that, let me first show you the surrounding area. They have this house. Those are the neighbors, and the other side he also has neighbors. Those are the neighbors. This is in Manyangwa on Gayaza Road. So this is his lovely house. But before that, also this side it has more neighbors. So come, I show you the other side of the neighbors. So these are the neighbors. As you can see, development is here going on. So those are the neighbors surrounding our friends. So you see, my videos inspire a lot of people. So he watched the video and he was so inspired, so he decided to buy a plot in Manyangwa. Have it, please come this side. Have you come this side? Okay guys, so let's go. We tour his house. You see those two guys up there? He's one of them. So this is his beautiful house, and today we are going to do a tour of his house. So let's go. The house is seated on a plot of 50 by 100, and in case you want a plot in this surrounding area, the range goes for 50 million to 60. Plot is that in here. So if you want a plot here, the range is 50 to 60 million. So flat. So guys, let's go. Come. We are going to first see the front of the house. Then after, we shall go up and we'll see the progress of the house. So come, we go, come and show you. Let's go. So this is the front of the house. This is the front of the house. This is the shed. The house. So this is the front of the house. The house has two sheds. The main shed for the living room and the second shed for the dining. Come and check out this side. So guys, this is the house. This person bought this plot after watching my video. So guys, my video is inspiring, and he watched my video. He loved what we were doing, so he decided to buy a plot. So guys, the same broker who helped us buy a plot where we are constructing our house is the same broker who helped him buy this plot. So in case you want to buy a plot, nze ina best broker. Nze abalina ateba amazima babe ajja kufunya plot ennungi, trust me. So my video, we are picking an interest na contacting a broker waffe namfunia linetaka, and here he is. Naye atanso zimba dream house ye mugiraba zimba flat nawe mulaba. So guys, we are going to go at the back side, then I will show you the different rooms. So come, let's go. You see, these are the materials. We still have other side. So this is the back side. This is the back side of the house. So let's enter and I show you the rooms. I think this is a bathroom, is it? I don't know because I'm not the owner of the house. So I'm just going to take you around so that you could see the progress. Okay, boys, we go. We go, boys.
We go up. We go up from here.
Up from where?
Here.
Boys, come. So guys, in case you're going, so guys, here we are going to the first floor of the house. As you can see, Nabagandi, I'm Gazimba flat. So this is the first floor, and I think this side we're gonna bed only the bedrooms. So we're gonna bed no. Guys, see a view. See the view from up here. See the view. So this is the reason why Yasalawa nyumba yetu from this side. Then of course you can see the view from this side. The nyumba facing there, not facing there. This is the what? The enoyemaso. Then area mabega. From here you can see. So this is the surrounding area of his house. And guys, as I told you, on yamala kulaba video yange nemu inspiring na sarawo okugula eno katina danso. So don't miss any of my videos. So guys, these are the surroundings of the area, and I'm going to take you around so that you could see. You see guys, these are the surroundings. You see guys, a lot of construction is going on here. The town is developing, the surrounding is developing so fast. As you can see, they even have a church nearby here. The church is there. You see guys, these are the surroundings of the area.